दीपं ज्योति पराब्रह्म दीपं सर्वतमोपहं दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं संध्यादीपं नमोस्तुते संध्यादीपं नमोस्तुते. Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself Leela Sirisha. Today we are going to see how to prepare Indian traditional diyas with clay. First, if you like the videos, do subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. So here is how diyas are being made. It's a pottery clay. It's a fine clay mixture. With just 2 fingers, it's been molded. And with the thread, it has been taken out. So, just moisture, and then with 2 fingers, art in their hands. Look at that, lovely. So this is how the diyas are made. These are traditional diyas. It's round ones. Once these are made, sun dried for a couple of days, and then burn these. Now these are black. Once these are burnt, then it turns to red. Once thousands of diyas are made, then they burnt it all together. So this is how Indian traditional diyas are made. We use it for prayers. Also Diwali, it's a festival where we lighten the lamp, lighten Diya. So that's how the diyas are made. I too tried couple of diyas. So this is how diyas are prepared, sun dried, and then burnt. Finally it will come to us. I decorated these with colors and stickers. So finally this will come out once after these are burnt. If you like the video, do like and share with friends and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.